the next 3 days, we're going to be hearing from some of the biggest names in Bitcoin who actually see the recent implosion of FTX as another example that sets Bitcoin apart from the thousands of other altcoin projects, and crucially from these centralized crypto platforms. Because remember, the Bitcoin network focuses on two big things: decentralization and security. And so sentiment is really positive here about the future of the industry because they feel that people around the world are realizing that Bitcoin is more secure than other altcoins, it's more reliable, and it's decentralized, meaning that these centralized actors can't mess with your money. Now, Block CEO Jack Dorsey, Strike CEO Jack Mallers, and Ray Youssef, who runs Paxful, one of the most prominent decentralized crypto exchanges on the continent, will all be speaking this week, as will some of the biggest names in Lightning, which is that layer 2 technology built on top of Bitcoin that's trying to replace existing fiat payment rails by making cash transfers around the world instantaneous, instantly settled, and cheaper. And crucially, we're also hearing from entrepreneurs based in the region who have been leaning into crypto as a way to make life easier.
What about the real-term applications of crypto, Mackenzie? Can it actually, are the people down there saying that it could actually make things better or easier than fiat cash?
Yeah, so several countries in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, and Kenya, to name a few, are these prime examples of places where grassroots, totally organic crypto adoption is happening because it's just better than the existing system. There's a thriving peer-to-peer crypto payment network across the continent using a combination of Bitcoin and US dollar peg stablecoins like Tether. We're also talking about Bitcoin as a savings technology because, yes, its price is volatile, but in countries where there's rampant inflation and the local currency has lost most of its value, Bitcoin can become the safer and more accessible option. Now, mining for Bitcoin in some cases is creating a financial incentive to build infrastructure to harness stranded renewable energy and then make that power accessible to communities through microgrids. Another point here, Seema, there's a delegation from Lagos led by Bernard Para. And what's especially interesting about Nigeria is that the government has outright banned crypto, very hostile to it, yet the market is absolutely thriving. A lot of Nigerians I've spoken with see Bitcoin as a tool in fighting back against an oppressive government. So these are the use cases that people on the ground here are really excited about.